Alright guys, so this is lesson 31, section 3, naming and drawing quadrilaterals. Again, quadrilaterals are shapes that have four sides, okay, and four angles. So I have a quadrilateral. It has four sides that are all the same length. It does not have any right angles. What is the name of my shape? Okay, so it has four sides that are all the same length, but it doesn't have any right angles. Okay, it looks something like this. Obviously, mine's not going to be perfect, but it looks something like this, maybe a little shrink in, but these are not right angles. Okay, it's called a rhombus. Kind of more like this, kind of like that, but each one of these sides is the same length. Okay, it's called a rhombus. Hopefully I can spell it right. Rhombus. Okay. Choose 4 toothpicks of the same length. Arrange them to look like a quadrilateral. So if you do something like this at home, get 4 toothpicks and you can rearrange them to make different shapes. Okay. Use the toothpicks. It says how to name and draw quadrilaterals by looking at their attributes. What is the name of the shape described on the previous page? How do you know? Well, again, the previous page was this. This would be called a rhombus. Okay, a rhombus. Look at the shape to the right. Is it a quadrilateral? This one right here. Okay, is a quadrilateral. Does it have 4 sides? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Does it have 4 angles? There's one here. There's one here. There's one here, and this is an angle right here. It's more than 3. It's more than 180. Okay. Is the shape a parallelogram? No, it's not, because this side is not parallel to this side right here. Okay, and either this side is not parallel to this side. Okay, so it's not. Is it a rectangle? No. Is it a rhombus? No. Okay, because it doesn't have any opposite sides that are the same length. Okay, is it just a quadrilateral? Yes, that's it. Okay, it says draw a quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram, is not a rectangle or a rhombus. Okay, so if you did something like this, like that. So now you try. Here it says circle all the quadrilaterals below. They have 2 pairs of opposite sides of the same length. Okay, there's 3 of them. This one here, here, and here. Okay, now on a separate piece of paper, okay, draw a quadrilateral with at least 1 right angle, and it's not a rectangle. It'll look something like this. Okay. Something like that. This is just 1 right angle right here. Okay, and it's not a rectangle. Draw a quadrilateral in which all the sides are not the same length. Opposite sides are the same length. And there are no right angles. Name the quadrilateral. I'm drawing a rhombus. Something like that. Okay. Says one wall of a shed looks like the shape on the right. How many sides and angles does the shape have? Well, again, it has 4 sides and 4 angles. Okay. How many parallel sides does the shape have? It actually only has one pair. This side is parallel to this side. the bottom and the top and bottom don't, because if I keep going all the way across like this, eventually the lines will cross. Okay. How many right angles does a shape have? Only 1, 2. Here and here. Does the shape have 2 pairs of sides that are the same length? Kind of. Bottom and right, probably. Top and bottom. Sorry, top and bottom. So circle all the words you can use to name the shape. Okay. It would be a quadrilateral and a parallelogram, not a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 right angles. This shape doesn't. Okay. It says I have 4 sides. I am a parallelogram. I have all right angles. Okay. I am shape. So which one is that? Let me go like this, maybe a little bit more. Here, now you can see all of them. So I have 4 right angles. Okay. It will be C or D. Okay. I have all right angles. I have 4 sides, and I am a parallelogram. I have all right angles. So again, that would be either C or D. Okay, what am I? Oh, and it says I'm not a square. So the answer is D. Okay, and it's a rectangle. 7 says I am a quadrilateral. I do not have any right angles. So right now it's probably going to be A, okay, or E. So I do not have any right angles. Okay. All my sides are the same length. What shape? Oh, so that would be A, because all these sides are the same length. These 2 sides, this side is not the same length as that side, so it's A, and it's called a rhombus. Okay. 8 says I have more than one right angle. More than one. So that should be B, C, or D. More than one. I have more than one right angle. Some of my sides are the same length. Okay, so it's either D or B. Okay, I am not a quadrilateral. I am shape. So this is a quadrilateral, so it has to be B. And it's just a shape. Based on sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can call it a hexagon. Okay, and on the 7th piece of paper, you can do number 9.